Goal of AI content creation. As you all know, AI is transforming content creation from drafting content to curating personalized experiences. AI empowers creators with intelligent techniques to enhance their workflow, making it much easier to innovate and try new ideas. If you look right here, 72% of businesses now use AI. And this was surveyed in 2023, and we are now moving closer to 2025. So you can only imagine that this is even more. Okay. And projected AI growth from 2023 to 2030 is at 36.6%. That means it is coming. If you did not know, AI is here and it's time to get on board. What many of you may or may not know is that AI can generate initial content drafts, helping creators save time and energy, which lets us focus on refining the content and adding our creative voice instead of starting from scratch. AI is great for brainstorming new ideas by analyzing trends and user preferences. It provides inspiration, giving a fresh direction to explore content, and it can definitely blend text, images, and other media together seamlessly, creating a dynamic content that is both engaging and visually appealing to audiences. Personalized content curation. AI can really help personalize your content. Okay. This way, each viewer, what's most interesting to them. This keeps people engaged and makes their experiences feel more relevant. By understanding the context of each user, like, say, their location, browsing history, whatever the case may be, AI can deliver a hyper personalized content that is tailored to meet those specific needs. And AI doesn't just stop at a one-time recommendation. It is continuous. It's continuously optimizing, learning you, getting trained on not only you or whoever you're developing content for. So AI is able to continuously optimize your content. Automated content, as I just spoke about, these tools are really there to help you analyze how the content performs. And you can look at metrics for engagement, things of that nature. You can help creators understand what works and what doesn't. With predictive analytics, AI can forecast future trends and audience behavior, which really gives us insights into making smarter content choices that are likely to succeed. AI can also handle repetitive tasks like scheduling and publishing content, freeing up time for creators like yourself to focus on strategic and high valued work. With AI, you can target your audience and hone in on their preferences in order to maximize engagement and conversion rates. AI content tone and styles. AI can replicate a brand's tone of voice. So every piece of content aligns with the brand's identity, creating a cohesive experience for audiences. So think about that. It can replicate your brand's tone. If you are the brand, it can represent yours. If you're building content for someone else, it can represent clients as well. The main thing is consistency, right? Because consistency in writing style is important, and AI can really help maintain this by learning and applying a brand's unique formatting preferences across different pieces. By understanding a brand's personality, AI can generate content that resonates with the target audience, reinforcing the brand's unique presence. The future of AI and content creation, trends and implications, right? So AI is evolving to offer real-time collaboration through tools like chatbots and virtual assistants, which allow creators to receive immediate feedback and refine content on the go. I will soon enable even more immersive experiences. I don't know if you've been in your VR or AR and got your Meta Quest or your Apple Vision Pros. You know more is coming. And when we talk about immersive experiences, we're talking text, images, audio, video, rich multimedia content that is tailored to individual preferences. As AI becomes more common in content creation, ethical considerations will gain an extreme importance, okay, with a focus on transparency, reducing biases is just responsible thing to do with these powerful tools. Because as we know, thing and the old adage of if you copy one person and steal it, If you copy two people, its research is out the window because AI is pulling from all over the world. So you have to be mindful and very careful of this little nuance when it comes to transparency, ethics, and responsible use of AI. Conclude, we have to embrace the power of AI for content. AI is revolutionizing the content industry by providing intelligent tools that enhance creativity and innovation. It's helping creators bring their ideas to life in ways that weren't possible before. By embracing AI, content creators can tap into new possibilities and reach audiences in more meaningful ways. It's a great, and I mean great, opportunity to shape the future of digital media. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Be sure to like this video. Just hit that thumbs up button. You don't have to subscribe. I know it's a lot of pressure, but just hit that like button. It really does me a huge favor when it comes to the algorithm and getting more people to hear this content. Thank you all so much. Take care.